From this question, we're asked to find the value of x. So we're given root x plus 3 root x all over 0.5x equals to 50. Find x. So how do we do this? First thing first, let us rewrite the question. So we have root x plus root x plus 3 root x equals to 50, all divided by 0.5x. Now we all know that root x plus root x is 2 root x plus 3 root x, we have 5 root x. So in that case, in our numerator, we now have 5 root x divided by 0.5x equals to 50. Now, we can choose to cross multiply, or there are many ways we could do this. So I think it is best that we divide 5 divided by 0.5. 5 divided by 0.5 is 10. So we say 10 root x over x is equals to 50. Right? So the next thing now is we can actually cross multiply from here. So by cross multiplying, we'll have 10 root x is equals to 50x. So dividing both sides by 10, what do we have? We have root x is equals to 50 divided by 10 is 5x. Now we haven't gotten to the final answer because we're asked to find the value of x. So what do we do from here? We can take the square of both sides, because in order to eliminate our square root, we have to square both sides. So let us square both sides. So by squaring both sides, we now have square this side, we equally square this side. So square, we cancel square roots, so we are left with x is equals to 5 squared is 25, x squared. Now we are not done. So most people will choose to divide both sides, but this is a quadratic expression, so we have to resolve this. So if we subtract x from both sides, we move this x to the other side, becomes 25x squared minus x is equals to 0. So from here we can factorize. What is common? X is common. So that will now be x open bracket 25x minus 1 is equals to 0, because by the time we divide by this factor x, we will get 25x minus 1. So from here, this implies that one of the values of x is equals to 0, whereas you can get the other value as a result of 25x minus 1 equals 0. But from the look of things, if we make one of the value of x, or if we say that one of the value of x is 0, that means it is not going to be like, if you observe, if we have 0 here, definitely everything here is 0, and also the numerator, everything for the numerator will equally be what? 0. Okay, so that implies that x cannot be equals to 0. One of the domain, according to the domain, 0 is not the answer, because we are not considering x to be 0. If you put x to be 0, what you are going to get is 0 over 0, which is not supposed to be actually. In that case, let us find the other value of x. So in that case, from here, we can now say 25x is equals to 1 by the time we add 1 to both sides. So dividing both sides by 25, we now get our x to be 1 over 25. then 1 over 25 is the answer that we are supposed to get. So 1 over 25 is the same as, if you press it on your calculator, you should get 0.04. Okay, so that's our final answer. So do well to share, and don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video to the very end. Also subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you. See you in my next video.